Picture this. You finally got your dream bag. Maybe it's that iconic Hermès Birkin or a classic Chanel flap you saved up for months to buy. But fast forward 6 months, and when you pull it out again, it's creased, misshapen, or mysteriously stained. The hidden culprit? Improper storage. In this video, I'll show you how to store your luxury bags correctly to prevent thousands in damage. And later, we'll go over the ideal storage system every bag lover needs. The foundation: proper stuffing techniques. Let's start with the most crucial element: proper stuffing. This is where many bag owners go wrong, and it's costing them dearly. Your luxury bags need internal support to maintain their shape, but not all stuffing materials are created equal. For structured bags like the Hermès Kelly or Dior Lady Dior, acid-free tissue paper is your best friend. This archival quality paper won't yellow over time or transfer chemicals to your bag's interior. Fill the bag until it holds its natural shape. Not overstuffed, not understuffed, but just right. You want to support the silhouette, not stretch it. For softer bags like the Bottega Veneta pouch or Saint Laurent Loulou, use cotton or muslin fabric instead. These materials are breathable and won't create pressure points that could stretch the leather. They also reduce the risk of internal humidity buildup, which is a hidden danger for softer, more pliable leathers. Many people make the mistake of using newspaper or regular tissue paper. Don't do this. The inks and acids in these materials can transfer to your bag's lining, creating permanent stains. For bags with specific compartments, stuff each section individually. A Goyard St. Louis tote should have its main compartment and side pockets properly supported. This prevents the bag from collapsing inward and creating creases at stress points. Over time, repeated folding or sagging in the same areas can lead to irreversible warping, something even a professional spa treatment can't always fix. Air pillows designed for luxury goods are another excellent option, especially for bags you access frequently. These inflatable inserts maintain perfect shape while being easy to remove and replace. Just make sure they're made from archival materials and won't off-gas chemicals over time. If you're investing in high-end bags, it's worth investing in the right storage tools. They act like invisible armor, protecting your bag even while it's at rest. Dust bags, your first line of defense. Every authentic luxury bag comes with a dust bag for good reason. It's not just fancy packaging. These protective covers are specifically designed to shield your investment from dust, light damage, and minor scratches while allowing the leather to breathe. Always store your bags in their original dust bags when possible. The fabric composition is tested to be compatible with the specific materials used in that brand's bags. A Chanel dust bag is designed to work perfectly with Chanel leather treatments, while a Prada dust bag complements their nylon and Saffiano leather pieces. If you've lost the original dust bag, don't panic, but be selective about replacements. Choose 100% cotton or linen dust bags in light colors: white, cream, or light gray. Avoid synthetic materials that can trap moisture or dark colors that might transfer dye. The bag should fit comfortably inside without being compressed, and there should be enough room for your stuffing materials. For extra special pieces, like a Hermès Constance or Chanel Boy bag, consider double protection. Store the stuffed bag in its dust bag, then place that inside a slightly larger cotton bag. This creates a buffer zone against temperature fluctuations and provides extra protection if something spills in your storage area. Never store bags in plastic bags or airtight containers. Leather needs to breathe, and trapping moisture can lead to mold growth or that musty smell that's nearly impossible to eliminate from luxury materials. Positioning: the art of upright storage. How you position your bags in storage can make or break their longevity. The golden rule is simple: Store bags upright in their natural carrying position whenever possible. Structured bags like the Hermès Birkin, Chanel Classic Flap, or Dior saddlebag should stand upright with their bases flat and stable. This mimics how they're designed to be used and prevents unnecessary stress on the construction. If a bag can't stand on its own when properly stuffed, it needs more internal support. For slouchy bags like the Balenciaga City or Proenza Scula PS1, the approach is different. These bags should still be stored upright, but with enough stuffing to give them structure without fighting their natural drape. Think of it as creating a gentle supported slouch rather than forcing them into rigid shapes they weren't designed for. Avoid hanging bags by their straps for long-term storage. While it might seem like a space-saving solution, hanging puts constant stress on the attachment points and can stretch or damage the straps over time. A Gucci Marmont with its delicate chain strap, or a Bottega Veneta bag with woven handles are particularly vulnerable to this type of damage. If you must hang bags due to space constraints, use padded hangers designed specifically for handbags and rotate them regularly so no single bag spends months under constant tension. Climate control, creating the perfect environment. Temperature and humidity control are where luxury bag storage gets scientific, but don't worry, you don't need a museum-grade facility to protect your collection. The ideal storage environment maintains a temperature between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 21 degrees Celsius, with humidity levels between 45 to 55%. Luxury bags like those from Hermès, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton are crafted from materials that perform best in these conditions. Too hot, and leather can dry out and crack. Too cold, and it becomes stiff and brittle. Too humid, and you risk mold growth. Too dry, and the leather loses its natural oils. Silica gel packets are your allies in humidity control. Place a few in your storage area, not directly touching the bags, to absorb excess moisture. Replace them every few months, or when they feel heavy with absorbed water. For larger collections, consider a small dehumidifier in your storage room. Avoid storing bags in basements, attics, or anywhere temperatures fluctuate dramatically. That beautiful Bottega Veneta cassette bag won't survive a summer in a hot attic any better than a Saint Laurent cake clutch will handle a damp basement winter. Cedar blocks can help with moisture control and provide a pleasant scent, but keep them away from direct contact with your bags. Cedar oils can stain certain leathers and fabrics over time. Shelf organization, maximizing space, while minimizing risk. Proper shelf organization isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a system that protects your investment while making your collection accessible. Start with sturdy, stable shelving that won't bow under weight. Each shelf should be deep enough to accommodate your largest bags without crowding. A Goyard St. Louis GM needs more space than a Jacquemus Le Chiquito, so plan accordingly. Line your shelves with acid-free tissue paper or cotton fabric to create a barrier between your bags and the shelf surface. This prevents scratches and provides additional protection against temperature fluctuations transmitted through the shelf material. Space bags at least 2 inches apart to allow air circulation and prevent them from pressing against each other. This spacing also makes it easier to remove bags without disturbing others. Crucial when you own delicate pieces like a Chanel boy bag with its distinctive quilting, or a Hermès Calais with its structured silhouette. Organize by frequency of use, keeping your most used bags at eye level and within easy reach. Your everyday Celine luggage tote should be more accessible than that special occasion, Judith Lieber Minaudière. Consider the weight distribution on your shelves. Heavy bags like a large Bottega Veneta Arco or a Goyard trunk should go on lower, sturdier shelves to prevent accidents and reduce the risk of shelf collapse. Creating your storage system, a step-by-step guide. As mentioned a while ago, let's put it all together into a systematic approach that will keep your luxury bags pristine for decades. Start by choosing your storage location. Ideally, a climate-controlled closet or room away from direct sunlight and temperature extremes. Your Bottega Veneta, Jody and Chanel 19 deserve the same environmental considerations as fine wine or artwork. Prepare each bag individually. Empty all contents. Clean the interior and exterior according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Stuff properly with acid-free materials and place in its dust bag. This process should become a ritual every time you rotate your collection. Set up your shelving system with proper spacing, protective liners, and clear organization. Label shelves if helpful, but avoid adhesive labels that could damage surfaces over time. Implement a rotation schedule. Even stored bags benefit from occasional air circulation and inspection. Monthly check-ins allow you to catch potential problems early and ensure your storage conditions remain optimal. Document your collection with photos and storage dates. This helps track which bags need attention and creates a valuable record for insurance purposes. Your Hermès Constance and Louis Vuitton Neverfull represent significant investments that deserve proper documentation. Proper bag storage goes beyond organization. It protects your luxury investments for the long haul. With the right techniques, your bags can retain their beauty and value for decades. These aren't just accessories, they're future heirlooms. Store them well now, and they'll reward you for generations. If this helped you rethink your storage system, drop a comment below and tell me your favorite bag to store, or the one you baby the most. I want to know. And if you found this video helpful, you must check this one out too.